Now, having logged into our control panel with Asura hosting, it's time to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, I scroll down to extra features, then I click on Softaculous auto installer. With Softaculous auto installer, you are just a few clicks away from installing WordPress. So I click on it. Now this is WordPress. So in here I click on install, or I can go to the left side menu to click on WordPress from here. So I'll just click on install now. So now the installation URL, take note, Asura hosting is giving us free SSL. So make sure you choose HTTPS, and then the domain, you choose the domain you have registered. In directory, you need to remove what is there, because if you install on whatever you see here, meaning you are installing on a subfolder and not on the main domain. So you need to remove what you have under in directory. Now going down, site name, in here you change the name of your website as well as the site description. I'll leave this for now so that I use it to teach you how to rename your WordPress website. Now under admin account, I change the username, Sadik, and the password, I hide it. Take note, this username and password you are going to enter here is what you always use to log into your WordPress website in order to edit it. So you need to keep it safe. And then the admin email, I'll change it to my Gmail account. I used to purchase the domain from Asura. It doesn't really matter. You can use whatever email you want. Now language, you can select the language you want to install WordPress with. I leave it as English for now because I speak English. Then I scroll down, click on install, and WordPress will install in some few seconds, and we are right there. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now we can click on the URL, that is our domain, to go to our website. So I click on it. So this brings me to my website. So this is how we install WordPress using Softaculous auto installer.